everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we're going to make Texas sheet cake for two. And this cake, it's going to be for one because I'm not a fan of it. So here we go.
And I don't know why it's so delicious.
We've got the oven heated at 350. I have an 8x8 pan here sprayed. And first off, we're going to put in 1 cup or a half a cup of flour plus 1 tablespoon. So that's going in. And a half a cup of just granulated sugar. And salt, I have an 1/8 of a teaspoon going in. If I get it off the bottom. All right. We're just going to mix that up a little bit. Now we're going to go for the saucepan. We're going to put in 4 tablespoons of butter. It doesn't have to be melted because it's going to be melting in here. And then the cocoa, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons, and this is what I'm using right here. Unsweetened cocoa. Put that in there. And then get this all melted. And then we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of hot water. That smells good. Got cocoa and butter.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, 1/4 cup of water going in. Get that all melted up there. A lot of steps to it, but it's really not that hard. Try and get that butter melted.
That smells good.
All right. So we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 egg. Okay. And soda. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. And then vanilla, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Or so, however you want to do it. We're just going to mix this up. You don't need your mixer, you just use your hand for all of it if you want. Okay, some of that chocolate. We're going to pour this mixture, the chocolate mixture, over the flour mixture that we got right here. Let's see if I can get that all out of here. Pour it out the non-pour spout.
Yeah, that's like snowing here today, guys.
Yeah.
We've had more snow this winter than we've had in years.
That's true. Okay, so we got that with the flour mixture. We got all this. And then we're going to pour the egg mixture over top of this other flour mixture. And then that's it for the cake. And we'll put it in our pan. I have made this in an iron skillet and a 10-inch iron skillet, and it does good. But I figured I'd just get out my 8x8 since we just got done using the iron skillet. Which we use it for desserts and for savory and sweets. It doesn't matter. It all's good.
And she had steak and mushrooms and onions.
I did.
And I made broccoli soup. And ate it all.
He did. Because I don't like that kind of stuff. I know, I'm weird, right?
I got 3 bowls out of it. I ate it all.
And keeps bragging about it, how good it was.
Did I tell you how good it was?
I think you told me multiple times.
I just want to make sure you knew. I really enjoyed it.
Guys, we love you being here and listening to our antics.
Yeah, we get a little silly every once in a while. Don't you?
Yeah, you did. All right. Now, we're just going to pour this into this pan.
Okay. You sprayed the pan, right?
I did. You gotta keep eyes on me.
Mm-hmm.
Because you never know.
Oh, I know.
And this is going into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350.
Did you put nuts in?
No, we put that in icing.
Oh. I thought you put it in the cake.
No.
Or the brownie.
Cake. Texas sheet cake for 2. Or for 1 in this case. All right, we're going in the oven 15 to 20 minutes. I'll let you know. We'll be back. All right, guys, the cake is in the oven for 20 minutes in my oven. I just turned it off. I'm leaving it in there just until I get this icing made, which doesn't take very long. So I got 4 tablespoons of butter going in. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of the cocoa. And we're going to cook that together. And then we're going to put in the rest of the stuff. Get this going. Anybody else out there like Texas sheet cake?
I do. I don't like it though. I love it.
But we don't have any ice cream, so.
I can eat it without it. I'd much rather have ice cream, but if you look outside and see all the snow, I'm not going out of the house.
You can make you some ice milk.
I'll pass. If you can't have the best, just don't do without. Just do without.
All right, get this all starting to come around now.
I could make that ice cream with cottage cheese, though.
Ugh. I bet that'll be good.
I don't know. Never tried it.
All right. Get this. The butter is almost all melted. That's all we want to do is melt those together.
That smells good.
And then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of milk. Heavy whipping cream, milk, whatever you want to use. Cream. I'm just using some milk here. 3 tablespoons of that. Half a teaspoon of vanilla or whatever you
Or half a bottle,
choose.
you know, whichever.
Whew, yeah, don't do half a bottle, guys. He's silly. And we're going to put in 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar.
Bam!
And I probably should just whisk that.
Whisk it. Whisk it up.
Whisk it good. All right, and then if you're going to put nuts in your icing, right here I have a 1/4 cup of nuts. Put that in.
She's using pecans today.
I am. You can use pecans, you can use walnuts, or the 2 most common for this. And
pecan's my favorite, so.
there you go. It's all about him. Now we're going to pull this out.
As it should be, right?
Yeah. Let me get another one.
You got one laying there.
Yeah, we'll put it on there. There we go. And now, guess what we get to do? We get to pour the icing on top of it.
I think you got a left-hand pan.
I know. Ain't that something?
Yeah.
It comes from Aldi. What do you think?
Weird.
Because I'm like, why is that spout on the other side? I can't never get it right. All right. You just pour it on here, guys, while it's hot. Ooh.
Now, do you take a fork and poke holes in it so that runs down in it?
No, you want it staying on top.
Oh. I'm just saying that's probably what I would do.
I know.
Come on, guys, agree with me.
That's not how you do Texas sheet cake. All right. And
But it would still be good.
I have some extra here that I chopped up because, you know, Mr. Smith is nutty. So I'm just going to put that right
Just
on.
every once in a while.
Right on top. And there we go. We'll let that cool and we'll let Billy taste it.
Okay.
All right, guys. Billy is going to be the official taste tester.
Oh, that's terrible.
Really? As he goes in for a second bite.
That's so good.
It is still a little warm because, you know, that's what we do. So there it is. He's eaten one whole piece that it's so terrible. Granted, it is a little piece.
So good.
I'm going to show him the actual cake pan there.
But still.
It's still just warm. There's what it looks like. I said it's a small batch for 2, but it looks like it's like for 3 or 4. All right, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. As he's got his mouth full.